Professional stair climbers. Keep going. Good job, Adam. Are you going to come back down? Show me how you come back down. Do you go on your belly? There, Abby's doing the belly. Oh, now she's going to do the booty bump. Boom. Boom. Wow. Whoa, Adam is a speed demon. Hold on, watch out for Abby. Good exercise, kiddos. Adam.